This will be an unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Here's the box in this beautiful red color here. Have a quick look. Got this the other day, came in. So now got the time to unbox it real quick for you guys. Some stickers there on the bottom of the box. As you can see, I have not seen this phone yet. Factory fresh, factory sealed. All right, man, let's just get right into it. Take my blade and let's see, where can I make the cut? Make the cut right here. Oh, and then make another cut. What does this say? If a seal has been broken or tampered with, blah, 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 blah. All that. Well, I'm gonna tamper with it, so. Oh man, super tight. Super tight. What she said. All right, go with this. Oh, there's the phone. Have a look. Fingerprint scanner under the display so you can see. And I don't know what that says. Somebody out there, translate that for me. Got this tab right here. You pull it out. That's what she said. And then flip it over in the back and it's this beautiful green. Glacier or glacial green. Very nice. Wow. I don't think I've ever had a green phone actually, so this is quite different for me. Yeah, first impressions. That's a nice green. All right, we'll put the phone to the side for now, and then let's see what we get in the packaging. It says never settle, embossed right into the packaging. And pull it out. Pull it out! And then, what is this? Something hidden here? All right, what's in here? Oh, OnePlus trying to be sneaky. SIM ejection tool fell out. Put that to the side, and what is this? Some stuff, I don't know what it says. And some stuff, I don't know what that says. Somebody translate that for me. And never settle. Never settle. Open this up and all right, there you go. A little schematic of the device. Pretty cool. And then it's just the same thing. Have a quick look and some information here about the phone, I guess. Can't read that. Somebody out there translate that for me. There. Screenshot that and let me know what that says. Put that to the side, and then you got some OnePlus 8 decals here that you can put on your friend's iPhone SE 2020. Put that to the side, and another red card here. And then in the box we have, ooh, a clear case. It says never settle on it. Never settle. This is nice. I like how they're including clear cases now. Something to get you started to protect your phone. That's a plus. And then here we have your warp charge cable in a beautiful red color. Matches the packaging. Very nice. And then in here it says warp charge. And then we get your fat brick. Now what is this now? Is it like 50 watts or something? Let's find out. What does this say? This says 5 volts, 6 amps max. 240 volts, 50, 60 hertz. Screenshot that if you want. Put that down, and I guess that's it, right? Nothing else in here? Nope. All right, I'm gonna put all that stuff to the side. This is the phone. And you take this tab. All right, now I'm not gonna do what I did to my iPhone SE 2020 again. Here's the phone. And of course, gotta rip this. Moment of silence. Whoa! Yeah, that was almost a catastrophe. So I'm gonna do this very carefully. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. How can I describe this? A little bit blue-green-ish. Let's go ahead and turn this on. OnePlus powered by Android. Nice. See, the Android matches the color. Huh. Sick. And then what is this? Some decals. We don't want this on our phones. So you got to remove these, right? So I'm going to put this on the box and then take this off. Take that off. Put that to the side. Hi there. English United States, that's where I'm at, so I'm gonna choose that. OnePlus terms and conditions. What if I disagree? It takes you back, so you have no choice but to agree. Okay, I'll agree, sure, agree. And then user experience program. User experience program. Nah. Connect to mobile network, skip. Just Wi-Fi for now. And then enter my password. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. So go ahead and let the phone do its thing. Here we go. Copy apps and data. I'm not gonna copy anything. I want a clean install here. Checking info. And then the Google stuff, I'm gonna skip that for now. I'll sign in later. For now, I just wanna get into the phone real quick. Just a second. Google services, I'm gonna decline all this just cause, yeah. And then OnePlus co-creation, user programs, skip. What is this? Agree, disagree? What if I disagree? How to use fingerprint? Okay, next. Set screen lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something basic. I'll change that later. All right, now fingerprint setup. Now this has the in-display fingerprint, so you can see. Let's set it up right now. See how fast it is. And then there you go, fingerprint added. Sick. Next, review additional apps. Yeah, whatever, okay. Adding finishing touches. And then the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Roboto or OnePlus Slate? I'm gonna go OnePlus Slate because it's OnePlus, gotta go with the Slate. And then navigation bar and gestures. Gestures or the old school, recent, home, and back. Now I'm a little bit old school, I actually prefer the buttons, but you know what? Let's go with the gestures. And then here. Okay, next, there's a little tutorial. We don't need to see this, okay, whatever. Go back, yeah. There you go, well done. Well, thank you. Home, go like that, well done. Oh, nice, so they include a little tutorial here during setup and then recent. You kind of just hold, well done. Well, thank you, OnePlus. Setup complete, start. And we are in. But what I want to do right now is, I like to do this now, go to the settings, and then let's see, where's the storage? Here's the storage. So right out of the box, brand new, this is the 128 gig model. 23.49 gigs are used out of the 128. So 18% used. So out of the box, that's how much space you got. If you got the 128 gig, probably similar in the 256. All right, so do the math on the percentage used. All right, let's go ahead and test out the camera. Is this the camera? Yes, it is. I'm gonna deny that just cause, and here's the camera. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a bunch of pictures right now. All right, this is just a little quick video of the OnePlus 8 Pro rear camera. This is 4K 30 frames per second. So I'm just gonna film these roses here so you can see. Beautiful, aren't they? I'm gonna zoom in one of them right here. So check out the autofocus. Beautiful, very nice. Let me know the audio. It's about sunset right now, so I'd say this is, yeah, still daylight, I guess you can say, or medium lighting. This is just all handheld. All right, take a look at that. All right, look at more roses here. Beautiful. Look at that. Check out the autofocus. All right, more flowers. Here we go. Now you can go to the 3x optical zoom here. So you can see, get a little bit closer to your subject. And this is the wide angle lens. All right, and then back to the normal. There you go. I'm gonna go over here. More flowers. And there you go. All right, so let me know the quality of this video of the OnePlus 8 Pro right now. Audio quality as well, etc. go to YouTube right now, and then I'm gonna go YouTube, and then I'm gonna do a search. Oh, look at that puppy. What happened there? Starving street puppy? Aw, that's too bad. Maybe I'll watch that later, but for now I'm gonna go, let's see. Gonna put the volume up. Put it next to the mic. Gotta say, that sounds pretty good. Now you do have dual speakers here. You have your bottom firing and the speaker here up top. Here we have your hole punch cutout. Kind of reminds me of a S10. And then let's check out the curve. You do get a curved display here. All right, here we have your volume rocker here. And then on the bottom of the phone, you have your SIM tray, USB Type-C, you have your bottom firing speaker. And then here we have your alert slider and then your power button. Here's another mic up top. And on the back here, you have your triple camera setup. Actually 4 cameras, my bad. You have a flash right there, OnePlus branding, and this beautiful color. Really digging this green. And then let's take a look at the camera hump, which I'd have to say, just playing around with this phone, I mean, if your finger kind of touches the camera module, you can feel the bump. It's actually quite substantial. I mean, look at how high that is. Wow, that is a high bump. Woo! And then you can see it's rocking around the table a little bit. Look at that. So something to keep in mind, probably recommend using the case. So let's try on the case right now. I'm gonna slap this on. Let's see if it takes care of that camera hump mini issue, I guess. So here's the case. Now flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. You can see the never settle right there in the case. Very nice. And then we'll take a look at that. And there's still a hump there, but it's not as bad as it was without the case. Real quick, let's compare it to some other phones. This is the 7T from last year. Little quick comparison. Now let me know in the comments what you think of the new OnePlus logo. So take a look right there. They changed the font of the 1. Looks like the plus is still the same. Maybe a little bit bigger on the new one. I don't know if that's just me, but and also the font of the actual OnePlus. Font's a little bit different. So I don't know. I think they should have just stuck with the old one, but you know, got to update the logo, I guess. But anyway, here it is. The 8 Pro versus the 7T. Little size and styling comparison. Personally, I think I like this one better. This big circle back here, I don't know, I don't know how I feel about that. From the front, take a look at the display. Whoops, fingerprint scanner. And then here, you get the water drop notch. And then here, let me open something that's white. You got the hole punch cutout. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better. Water drop or the hole punch cutout here on the corner. Let me know. All right, that's the 7T from last year. And then real quick, let's see, grab this one. Note 10 Plus. Compare the displays. Go like this. Do you prefer the hole punch on the corner, like on the left side, or in the middle, like the Note 10, S20, etc.? Let me know in the comments. And then from the back, let's compare the green to the Aura Glow. I don't know, man. I do like this green. First impressions, I love the color. Has a nice shimmer to it, but the Aura Glow on the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, I don't know, man. This is damn near perfect. But anyway, little comparison right there. And then from the side, look at that camera hump though. And the camera hump of the Note. That is a massive camera hump. Okay, and then here's the iPhone, also in green. Which green you like better? OnePlus green or this green? Let me know in the comments. All right, you got the shaver cutout or shaver camera module here on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. All right, and then from the front, we'll compare the displays real quick. Fingerprint scanner, nice and quick. There you go. What do you prefer? Hole punch cutout or the bald-headed notch? I'm gonna pick the OnePlus. That's just me. And then from the side profile, there you go. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with a OnePlus 8 Pro. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Note 10 Plus, the OnePlus 7T from last year, Galaxy S20 Plus, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.